Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video we are going to learn the some important concept regarding this species Nereis, earthworm and leech. These are coming from the phylum Annelida. So in the previous video we learned the important characteristics of the phylum Annelida. So these three species they are coming from the phylum Annelida. So please watch this particular video first, that is the characteristics of the phylum Annelida. Then it is easy to understand the characteristics of these three species. Now we are on our slide. We are going to focus here the characteristics of the Nereis. We understand everything about the Nereis. So this particular Nereis, first we will see the systematic position of the animal. So the phylum of this particular Nereis is the Annelida. So again the question is that why this particular Nereis they included into the phylum Annelida. So reason in front of you. These are the some reasons. They are the triploblastic in nature. Vermiforms are there, metamerically segmented, and appendages are unjointed. So there is no need to explain all these particular terms because these terms we already learned in the previous video of phylum, characteristics of the phylum Annelida. So these are the reasons. So try to understand an important point. These are the reasons why this particular animal Nereis they included into the phylum Annelida. So we must know the reasons because in the exam many time the question asks what is the reason why this Nereis they included into the phylum Annelida. So we must understand very well about the reasons. Then the class of this particular animal. So class is the Polychaeta. So why Polychaeta? Because the setae is numerous. Setae we have already learned what is meant by the setae or setae, whatever is the pronunciation. So setae is numerous. So many setaes are found on the body surface. Setae means it is the hair like structure, or we can say the bristle like structure, which is the locomotory organ for the animal. So setae is numerous, which is the locomotory organelle, and another very important thing, clitellum is absent. Clitellum is not present over here. Clitellum it is found in the earthworm, but here the clitellum is absent. So first of all try to understand what is meant by the clitellum. So I'll show you the clitellum during the earthworm video, but in briefly we are trying to understand. Clitellum is it is the glandular swelling which is present towards the anterior portion of the animal. So it is a glandular swelling which secrete the viscous fluid for the egg deposition. So eggs are nourished by this particular clitellum, and clitellum it is not segmented externally, it is looking a plain surface, we can say. So clitellum is absent over here. Then order of this particular animal. So order, just a second. So order, you can see here now. The order of this animal is the Erantia. Erantia, why? Because they are the free swimming forms are this particular Nereis they are the freely swimming. Then means obviously they are the aquatic in nature. Then pharynx it is protrusible arm with chitinous jaws and hooks like structure. So because of these particular reasons, arm with the or arm is they are provided with the chitinous jaws and several hooks are found on the anterior surface of the animal. That's why they are coming into the order Erantia. And the name of the genus in front of you, obviously the Nereis, it is name of the genus. So let's understand the habitat of the animal. So Nereis obviously as I told you they are found in a they having a burrowing habitat, that is they are found in a sand or some rocks in the intertidal, means in the marine water, intertidal or shallow marine water, whereas the water level is low, where the rocks are found. In that regions, these particular nares, they are found. So let's understand the distribution of the animal. So nares, it is the cosmopolitan in distribution, that is they are found all over the world, but especially they are found in a coastal water, of the Europe, North Atlantic, Pacific Oceans and United States of America. So let's understand. First, we will try to understand the comments, and then we'll focus the picture. Overall, we can see this particular. Overall, we can see this is the picture of the nares. So you can clearly uh, find this is the elongated worm-like animals, which having body somites. These are the segments we can easily point out. These are the some segments or ring like structure, that's why they come into the phylum Annelida. So this is the mouth portion, which is armed with the different hooks or tentacle like structure, that's why they come into the Polychaeta. Jaws are there, which is made up of the chitin, Prestomium ceri and Prostomium and Prestomium. This is a part of the mouth. You can see here these are the sati. Here this one, these are the sati, which are uniformly distributed on the body surface of the animal, and that is the locomotory organ for the animal. Parapodia, we can say this is the extended portion of the sati. Parapodia, again they helpful for the locomotion of the animal, and here there is a anus, which is useful for the excretion purposes. So first we will try to understand. We have seen the primary diagrammatic representation. So first we will understand the comments or the some characteristics of the nares. So it is commonly known as the ragworms. So body is obviously long, it is slender, elongated, and body it is dorso-ventrally flattened, and obviously body is segmented, and this particular body it is divisible into head, trunk and pygidium. This is the body morphology. So head it consists of the two parts, as I told you already. This is the prostomium and peristomium. These are the two parts of the head, prostomium and peristomium. So let's understand the prostomium. So prostomium, it bears a pair of tentacles, two pair of eyes, remember, two pair of eyes, and pair of short jointed pulp. This particular structure is present in the prostomium. One pair of tentacles, two pairs of eyes and pulp which is jointed present over here. And peristomium, it bears the four tentacles and slit like mouth. I'll show you in the diagram. This particular prostomium, it having tentacles, then these are the eyes, two pairs of eyes are found over here, jaws are there, and this particular peristomium, this is again the part of the mouth where the slit mouth like structures are found, and here the pulps are there. So this one, these are the pulps, which is the part of the prostomium. So let's talk about the characteristics number 4, the trunk, which is made up of the several segments, and each segments they bearing a pair of lateral parapodia. Lateral means from the side. So lateral parapodia for the each segment, and which is the locomotory organ, and sati, they are projected beyond the outer margin of each parapodium. So sati, it is the extended portion of the parapodia. Then head, trunk and pygidium. So pygidium, this is, or it is also known as the anal segments, they are without parapodia. So I'll show you here this particular pygidium. We can say that this one is the pygidium. They are without parapodia. That is the locomotory organ. They are not present at the posterior portion of the animal, or we can say the anal portion of the animal. And this particular pygidiums, parapodia is not there, but it bears the pair of appendages known as the anal cirri and terminal anus. Then let's talk about the respiration. So respiration takes place, obviously some pigments are present, so blood capillary networks of the parapodia is present. So respiration happens via the blood capillaries network of the parapodia. And then the alimentary canal, which is the part of the digestive system. So alimentary canal is the straight and it is extended from mouth to the anterior end of the anus, that is towards the posterior end. Reproductive system, the sex are separated, that is the dioecious forms are available, male and female. It is, we can identify by the observing the external characteristics. Fertilization is external, my dear friends. Fertilization means union of male and female gametes, which takes place outside the body in case of the Nereis. The sexual phase of the Nereis, it is known as the Heteronereis. This is the sexual phase of the animal. These are the some comments regarding the Nereis. I have different pictures. I have taken these different images from the Google. These are the images taken from the Google. You can find here, these are the tentacles which are found on the prostomium. These are the serous. This is a peristomium, and here there is a two pairs of eyes are found, and these are the parapodia which are present throughout the surface of the animal. And these are the segments, and each segment they having a two parapodia. You will easily find out each segment it having a two parapodia, which is the locomotory organ of the animal. And this one is the pygidium, or the anus, where the parapodias are not present. Again, these are the some pictures, very beautiful pictures which I have taken from the Google. You can find here the sati and parapodia. So here it is, we can clearly identify this is the sati and extended portion is the parapodium. I'll show you how this particular, see here, such kind of structures are found. This is the parapodia, and extension to the parapodia, this satis are there. So satis, these are the sati, and this one is the parapodia. So they help in a locomotion of the animal. Again, these are the very beautiful pictures which I have taken from the Google. You can clearly observe the two pairs of eyes are there on the head surface. We can easily found the tentacles. These are the tentacles, and these are the hooks which are arm. This particular animal Nereis, it is armed with the tentacles and hooks. Again, these are the some pictures which I have taken from the Google. You can clearly find here, this is the pharynx portion. Then these are the eyes. We can clearly find here, these are the two pairs of eyes, that is 4 eyes, 1 2 3 and 4. So these are the 4 eyes present over here. These are the tentacles. You can clearly find tentacles. This is the peristomium, and this one is the prostomium. that prostomium, it having a tentacles, eyes, then here palps are found, jaws are there, and for the peristomium the tentacles or series are found. And here you can find, now here you can clearly see this one is the parapodia, and this one, these are the sati, which is the locomotory organ. This one hair like structure or bristle like structure, these are the sati, and this plate like structure, it is the parapodia of the Nereis. Okay, so this is a very beautiful picture which I have taken from the Google. Again the same images, so here we are not going to waste our time, this we already known. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe my YouTube channel.